Right, so I've got a little problem with this inflatable hot tub here. We've got a hole right there. I don't know if you can see it from where you are, but there's a hole right there. So I found that by pumping it up and spraying some soapy water on there until you hear it fizzing. See the bubbles, you can generally hear it more than you can see. It did have a patch on it previously, which was just a little patch. The one it had on it was self-seal bike patch, just like that, and then it had some tape over the top to try and hold it on. That lasted a couple of days with use. This time we're going to try this out. Fibre flex patch. There's 3 in there. There's one of them. What we've done first is we've cleaned it down with some degreaser. We've wiped it off, let it dry in the sun, make sure it's nice and clean and dry. There's no residue on there, and then we're going to stick this patch on. I've let the air out. I'm going to try and stick it on and get it flat. Could be difficult, but we'll see what happens. So you've got to peel the back off patch. I'll just try not to get any fingerprints on it. And then we're going to go and stick it. Over there, we're going to try and keep it flat. And then what we're going to do is work the bubbles out. There's been mixed reviews on this online. Some people say it's worked perfectly. Some people say it doesn't do anything to polish it. It says it depends on where the puncture is. Mine's on a relatively flat area. So because it's on a flat area, I think it may do well. Make sure it's stuck around all the edges, because when this pumps up it does expand quite a bit in this area. I've also bought an actual proper repair kit, but being in lockdown at the moment, I'm waiting for it to come off Amazon. It could take a week or so, so I went down the local hardware store and bought this, see if this will help so we can use it over this time. Trying to push the air bubbles out, make sure it's stuck. The worst thing is pumping this up, thinking it's stuck, filling it with water, and then finding that you have to empty it again. So there's the patch. Seems to be stuck down quite nicely. I'll pump it up and we'll see what happens once it's pumped up, see if it sticks. It doesn't say it needs an curing time. I'm going to give it 5 minutes before I pump it up. I'll leave it there. And then I'll go around and check there's definitely no other bunches in it, because this does come with 3, like I say. I think you can cut them, but I've gone with a full size patch there on the one that I know is definitely there, so we'll see what happens after that. Right, so there's the patch. As you can see, it looks like it's stuck quite well, and a few little air bubbles in there. Try and get shade. But nothing major, and there's no air bubbles around the actual hole. I'm going to just give it a quick spray around the edges of the patch. Looks like we've got a decent seal there. No bubbles coming out of it, which is good news. So I'm hoping that's worked, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it up for a while just to see if it goes down at all, and then we'll come back and check it and we'll fill it with water. I've gone around and noticed there's a small mark there, so I'm just going to test them. There's nothing in them at the moment, but what I've got is some clear Gorilla tape which I'm going to put over them just to stop them going through. Fill in the rest of the bottom of it. If you feel anything that's sort of sticking up, it shouldn't be. If you feel anything rough, see any black marks, there might be holes. Best to give them a spray and just check them.